Alright, I just walked down Puritan. Right now I am, about probably a foot deep. Walking on down there. Hopefully I don't get electrocuted. If so, Pete, Sharon, y'all owe me. Oh, getting deep, getting to the knees. It was all the way up to my ankle at Sherman School. Here it's up to my knees. There's definitely a strong current going through your street and out onto this street. You can see the current. Look at the fire hydrant. Alright, I'm walking more. Let's see how high it's up on your house. Too late to turn back now. I'm already drenched. Ah, nice muddy land under my feet. I'm sinking in about 6 inches at each step. Woo! Let me see how deep it is. Alright, it's still only up to my knee. Sorry about the glare from the sun. I'm trying to angle it off. It's basically up to people's front steps. Tree down there. Branch down there too. I mean, aside from flooding, I'm not seeing any trees really down, at least. That's a plus. Man, walking through water wears me out. Basketball goal sticking up. Not sure why they put boards up, being as though if it's going to flood, it's going to go right around those boards, but whatever. Alright, I'm getting really tired, and I still have 2 houses to get past. Man, feel the burn. Those calves feel awesome. And thighs. Looks like it's up to your all's either first or second step based on where I am right now. Ooh, it's getting up to mid-thigh. Ooh, I better raise up my package. See if I can get to the grass, and maybe that'll be a little bit higher so I don't have to get completely drenched and wet. Nope. Oh, there it is. Still mid-thigh. It had just gone above mid-thigh. That's spooky. There's a person in the window. It's freaky considering it's flooded. I guess that's a Halloween decoration. Whoa, oh my goodness. Woo! I found your driveway. It's definitely testicles deep. Okay, water up to midpoint in your foundation. Even over there at the garage. Got one plant just floating there. See if I can glance in, see if there's any damage inside. I can't really tell, but it looks like the wood floors are fine. Let me feel. None of this feels wet. Y'all might have gotten lucky, maybe. Let me see if I can get in the basement door. If I can get in the basement door, I can at least maybe see how high the water actually went. I'm just not sure I'll be able to get it shut again. But, you know, it's probably already in there anyway, so what's the harm, right? Woo-hoo-hoo! Oh, that's so cold. Oh. 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 Hey, look at that, though. I don't see any roof damage. Over at my house, that's the only damage I saw was roof damage. And on my neighbor's house. Ew, this looks a little nasty back in here. Yeah, that looks disgusting. Let's see if we can get this basement door open. Nope. Alright, let's see if we can get up on the back steps.